Welcome to the future of innovation in Freetown. Imagine a city where technology and creativity blend seamlessly. That's the vision behind Celiotech, a groundbreaking tech startup poised to revolutionize Freetown technological landscape. Our journey began with a comprehensive feasibility study assessing the unique needs and untapped potential of Freetown. What we discovered was a vibrant community hungry for technological advancement and a better, smart way of living. At Celiotech, we are not just a tech company, we are a movement. Our mission is clear, from Freetown to Nairobi and across Africa. This is just the beginning and it's a lifetime journey. Our mission is to empower individuals and businesses by providing cutting-edge solutions that are both innovative and accessible. From smart city infrastructure to advanced educational tools, we are committed to transforming Freetown into a hub of technological excellence. Together, we can build a brighter, more connected future for Freetown.